In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass update your employees' schedule parameters. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location or your enterprise selected, then choose Employees. Next, go to your new top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Mass Update. You should now arrive at a page that looks like this. If you are logged in under a specific location, you will see crew, rotation, and pay rate to the right. If you are logged in under your enterprise, those three settings will not be available because those are location-specific settings. You can mass update your employees' minimum hours per week, maximum hours per week, maximum days per week, maximum shifts per day, maximum hours per day, and password. You can also mass update the crew, rotation, and pay rate if you are logged in under a specific location. If you scroll down, in the chart you will see the employee's name, their username, any crew that they are assigned to, their status, whether they are a current active employee or whether they are inactive or terminated, their minimum hours per week, their maximum hours per week, their maximum days per week, maximum shifts per day, maximum hours per day, and finally their pay rate. Like other schedules with this little filter icon, you can rearrange this information to view it however you would like. You can see that video on filters to learn how to do that. There are some employees in here who are marked as part-time, but they have a maximum of 40 hours per week. That's not actually correct, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix that. I will select the employees who are part-time. Next, I will scroll back up to the top. I'm going to add a couple new employees to this part-time crew. So to do that, I'm going to choose the drop-down menu next to crew and select part-time. Then I'm going to give them a maximum hours per week of 25. I could have also used the arrows to change that number, or I can type it in. If everything looks good and I do want to go ahead with this mass update, I'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and choose Update. A green save bar will appear next to Update, letting me know when this page was last saved. And if you look at all of these highlighted blue employees, you'll see that their maximum hours have changed to 25. Also notice that their crew is now part-time. If I scroll back up to the top, the quickest way to uncheck all of these employees is to check the box at the top of the chart. This will select everyone. Then I can uncheck the box, and now everyone is unselected. If I wanted to make any other mass updates to any other parameters, I could do so at this time. That's how you can mass update your employees' schedule parameters. Check out the next video to learn how to verify your employee setup.